Hello class. In the last lecture, we have seen the self-determination. We have seen the chromosomal theory. We have seen the gyne-andromorphs. We have seen the Bayes theories, and we have seen the what criteria they are having for the determinations. Okay. Today we are going to see the genetic disorders. Okay. So there are misfunctions or the mismatch of genes. They are present on certain chromosomes, and these genes, they are responsible for the different disorders. Okay, and that's why they call it as a genetic disorders. Now there are some contents. आता what is mean by genetic disorder? Genetic disorder is an illness, बीमारी है, illness caused by one or more abnormalities in the genome, especially a condition that is present from the birth. And that condition they call as a congenital. म्हणजे these genes or this kind of illness, हा जो काही आजार आहे, it is from before the birth. म्हणजे जेव्हा तुमचे जीन्स क्रॉस होतात, जेव्हा ते क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतं, दॅट टाइम ते क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर प्रॉपर होत नाही किंवा सेल डिव्हिजन प्रॉपर होत नाही, अँड दॅट बिकॉज ऑफ द there are certain illness form in the genome. Most genetic disorders, they are quite rare and affect one person in every several thousands of millions. ह्या काही जे जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर आहेत हे काही कॉमन नाही, जसं की आपल्याला काही लोकांना ताप येणे, these are not, these form like a 1 in million. Okay, these genetic disorders may or may not be the heritable. काही ऑर्डर्स आहेत जेनेटिक डिसीज आहेत ते हेरिटेबल आहेत, काही नाही आहेत. जसे की आपण म्हणतो की जे सिकल सेल ॲनिमिया जो आहे हा जेनेटिकली हेरिटेबल डिसीज आहे. पण काही जे जेनेटिक डिसीज आहेत ते हेरिटेबल नाही आहेत आणि काही आहेत ते आहेत. In non-heritable genetic disorders, defect will be caused by new mutations or changes into the DNA. जिथे नॉन हेरिटेबल असतील, जे हेरिटेबल नाही आहेत, जे वडिलांकडनं मुलाला आलेले नसलेले डिसीजेस आहेत, they cause because of the mutations in case of genes किंवा there are changes in the DNA, and this kind of defect will only be heritable if genetic disorder occurs into the germline. The first or the founders of genetic disorders was Mendel. First, it was found by the Mendel, which studied the inherited characters. Then this Mendel's जे काही work होतं, it is followed by the Crick and Watson, who gives the exact model of DNA, and then this has led to the understanding of the human genome sequence. In 1950, the Morris Wilkins, Rosalind Franklin, Francis, and the Crick of Britain and the Watson, they discovered the chemical structure of DNA, and then after that they have started the branch of molecular biology. And until the model was given, DNA model was given by the Watson and Crick, जोपर्यंत मॉडेल दिलं नव्हतं तोपर्यंत जे काही स्ट्रक्चर आहे डीएनएचं, इट वॉज नॉट नोन. बट वॉटसन आणि क्रिकने काय केलेलं आहे, दे हॅव गिवन द केमिकल नेचर. त्या डीएनए मध्ये काय काय असतं, शुगर आहे, रायबो शुगर आहे, न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स आहेत, पेंटो शुगर आहे, वॉट एव्हर द केमिकल नेचर in case of DNA was given by the Watson and Crick. आणि मग काय झालेलं आहे, जे काही मॉलिक्युलर बायोलॉजी जे काही डेव्हलप झालेली आहे, इट इज आफ्टर द वॉटसन क्रिक मॉडेल. In 1957, the Arthur Kornberg, they produced the DNA in test tubes. And then 1966 he developed the genetic code, and this genetic code, they are present on the chromosomes, and these codes, they are formed the genes, and due to the misinterpretations of these genetic codes, they form into the genetic disorders. जर या कोडमध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम झालेला असेल, जर या कोडमध्ये काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम किंवा काही चुकीचं इंटरप्रिटेशन झालेलं असेल, that time there is chances to form a genetic disorders. In 1983, genes are able to change the positions on chromosomes and they call it as a movable genes. And this theory given by the Barbara McClintock. In late 1980s, the international team of scientists began to project the map of human gene, and in 1990, the gene therapy was firstly used for the patient. When we see the genetic disorders, there are single gene disorders, then there are chromosomal genetic disorder, and then there are the multifactorial genetic disorders. In case of single gene disorders, these kind of gene disorders, they involve mutations in the DNA sequences of single genes. एकाच genes मध्ये they are having the mutation in DNA sequences. As a result, the protein that of gene codes, they are may be altered or may be missing. त्याची जी काही पोझिशन आहे जीनची किंवा प्रोटीनची जी काही पोझिशन आहे ती मे बी चेंज झालेली असेल किंवा ते प्रोटीन जे आहेत दे आर कम्प्लिटली ऑब्सेंट. Over 4,000 human diseases caused by this single gene defect. They are include like ADD, then cystic fibrosis, galactosemia, Huntington diseases, then Maple syrup urine diseases, phenylketonuria, severe combined immunodeficiency, sickle cell diseases, and this Smith-Lemel-Optic syndrome. In that, there are common, we are having cystic fibrosis, galactosemia, then sickle cell anemia, Huntington diseases. These are the common diseases. They are formed by the single gene disorders. In case of cystic fibrosis, a cystic fibrosis is a genetic disorder that affects the respiratory systems and the digestive systems in case of humans. The cystic fibrosis, they are cause the damage to the respiratory systems and the digestive systems. In this cystic fibrosis, the people inherit the defective gene on chromosome 7 called cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator, that is CFTR. Cystic fibrotic transmembrane conductance regulator. If this gene got defective onto the chromosome number 7, the proteins produced by this CFTR gene normally helps to the balance of sodium chlorides that moves in and out of the cells. If the protein doesn't work, तर त्या जीनमध्ये जी CFTR जीन आहे त्यामध्ये काही डॅमेज झालेला असेल, if the gene doesn't work correctly, the movement is blocked and abnormally thick sticky mucus is produced onto the outside of the cell. The cell most serious affected by this are the lung cells, and the mucus clogs the airways of the lungs, and then there is a chances of increase the risk of infection of bacteria. The thick mucus also blocks the ducts in the pancreas, so the digestive enzymes they can't get into the digestive enzyme, they cannot enter into the intestines. Then we are having galactosemia. This is a rare disorder that affects the body ability to break down of full sugar called galactose. म्हणजे जे काही आपण शुगर एंगल्फ करतो आहे, खातो आहे, त्याचं जे ब्रेकडाऊन होतो in case of galactose ते होत नाही, and that kind of called as a galactosemia. The body breaks down lactose into the galactose and glucose and uses the sugar for energy. Most people with galactosemia are missing the enzyme called GALT, G-A-L-T, that helps to the breakdown of galactose. आणि मग काय होतं की त्याच्यामध्ये डिफेक्ट आला तिथे जे काही गॅलेक्टोज आहे त्याचं ब्रेकडाऊन होत नाही and breakdown झाला नसल्यामुळे they are started to build up the toxic chemicals in the cells of body. Then high severe combined immunodeficiency deficiency, we do not have this. Then we are having sickle cell disease. In case of sickle cell disease, it is a disorder that affects onto the RBCs, which use a protein called hemoglobin to transport of oxygen from the lungs to the rest of body. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की RBC मध्ये hemoglobin असतो and that hemoglobin helps transfusion of oxygen from lungs to the cells and from cells to the lungs. Normally the RBCs are round and flexible. Round असतात and they are flexible, so they can change their shapes according to the size of blood vessels. Blood vesselच्या साईजच्या accordingly त्या लहान मोठ्या होतात. They are flexible. But the hemoglobin molecules has two parts, an alpha and beta parts. The patients with sickle cell animals, the patient with sickle cell disease, they have mutation in a gene on chromosome number 11 that codes for the beta subunit of the hemoglobin. As a result, hemoglobin molecules don't form properly, causing a red blood cells to be rigid and they are having concave. जसे तुम्ही समजा हे राजमा बघितलाय का तुम्ही, तर राजमाच्या आकाराचे ते सेल बनतात. ठीक आहे. These are the normal RBCs and these are the sickle cell RBCs. जसं की these are the, they can change their shape according to the blood vessels, but when there is a sickle cell, the sickle cell they cannot change their shape, they become rigid and घट्ट बनतात आणि त्यामुळे काय होतात, they start to form the blockages. त्या ब्लड सेल्स मध्ये किंवा मध्ये ते त्या अडकून पडतात. Then another the fibrodysplasia ossificans. This kind of genetic disorders is called as a stone man syndrome, which is extremely rare. तो खूप rare आहे, which causes the soft tissue turn into the bones. म्हणजे का तुमचे टिश्यू असतात पाठीचे ते बोन मध्ये फॉर्म होतात. This is a fibrodysplasia. Then second आहे chromosomal genetic disorder. In this kind of disorders, the entire chromosome or the large segment of chromosome are missing, or they get duplicated or otherwise altered. एक तर तो मिस असेल किंवा तो डबल झाला असेल किंवा त्याची पोझिशन चेंज झालेली असेल. In this we are having numerical abnormalities and the structural abnormalities. क्रोमोसोम मध्ये दोन काइंड आहेत, एक आहेत numerical abnormalities and another will be the structural abnormalities. In case of numerical abnormalities, when an individual is missing either chromosome from a pair or has the two chromosome, एक तर एक पेर कमी झाली असेल किंवा एक पेर वाढलेली असेल. एक तर ते मोनोसोमी आहे म्हणजे सिंगल पेर कमी झालेली आहे किंवा तो ट्रायसोमी आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये 3 पेयर्स आहेत क्रोमोसोमच्या. And in case of structural altered काय आहे की when the chromosomal structure is altered. Some examples of chromosomal disorders, it will be the Cry-Duchat syndrome, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome and the Williams syndrome. The Cry-Duchat syndrome is the name of the syndrome was given after the French for cry to the cat, refer to the distinctive cry of children with this disorder. The cry is caused by the abnormal larynx development, one of the many symptoms associated with disorder. In this kind of syndromes, they are formed by the deletion of the chromosome number 5. म्हणजे इथे काय आहे की क्रोमोझोम नंबर 5 जो आहे याच्यामध्ये एक पेअर आहे ती कम्प्लिटली मिसिंग असणार आहे. आणि ते एक क्रोमोझोम मिसिंग असल्याने काय होतं की देर आर मल्टिपल जीन्स दे आर मिसिंग. आणि याचा रिझल्ट काय होतं की देर आर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्रायडुकॅट सिंड्रोम. In this kind of syndrome, the babies cry. They are having the problem with the respiratory systems, and they cry like a cat. जसे cat रडते, मांजर रडते ना, like that the babies they are crying. Then Down syndrome. Down syndrome is developmental disorder caused by the extra copy of chromosome number 21. Which is why the disease is called as a trisomy 21. इथे काय आहे की 21 ची जी आहे 21 क्रोमोसोम जो आहे त्याची एक एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी असते and they call as a trisomy 21. Having an extra copy of chromosome means that individual have 3 copies of each genes instead of 2 copies, and that's why it makes difficult for cell to properly control how much protein is made. तिथे काय असतात की दे आर हॅव्हिंग 3 कॉपी, इथे 3 कॉपी असतात दॅन द 2 कॉपी. मग त्या सेलला कळत नाही की नेमकं किती प्रोटीन बनवायचं आहे फॉर द जीन्स. आणि मग त्यांना काय होतं की समटाइम इट मीन्स टू मच प्रोटीन किंवा खूप कमी प्रोटीन बनतं किंवा खूप जास्त प्रोटीन बनतं. And that's why they are having the consequences. The people with Down syndrome, they have very distinct facial features like flat face, small and broad nose, abnormally shaped ears, त्याचा शेप जो असतो कानांचा तो कसाही असतो, then large tongue, upward slanting eye, डोळे वरती गेलेले असतात, आणि small folds of skin in the corners. Again, people with Down syndrome have increased risk of developing number of medical problems like respiratory infections, gastrointestinal infections, leukemia, heart defects, then hearing loss, बहिरी असतात, then त्यांना thyroidचा problem असतो, they are having hypothyroidism and the various eye abnormalities. When we talk about the care or the treatment of syndromes, so there is a no exist treatment for the Down syndrome, but there are physical therapies and the speech therapies can help the people with the disorder with the having the normal types. Then Klinefelter syndromes. In case of males, male are having 46XY and female are having 46XX. 47 म्हणजे काय असतं की suppose they are having double XY is a genetic condition caused when someone has 2 X chromosomes and 1 Y chromosome. These kind of syndromes they are found in case of males. हा जो काही Klinefelter syndrome आहे हा जनरली माणसामध्ये आढळतो and they are having 2 X chromosomes. जनरली मेल्स आर एक एक्स आणि एक वाय क्रोमोसोम्स असतो, पण इन दिस काइंड ऑफ मेल दे आर हॅव्हिंग डबल एक्स 2 क्रोमोसोम्स आणि एक वाय क्रोमोसोम्स. बिकॉज पीपल विथ द डबल एक्स आणि वाय क्रोमोसोम्स अरेंजमेंट हॅव अ वाय क्रोमोसोम दे आर कन्सिडर्ड जेनेटिक मेल्स. इन मोस्ट XXY individuals develop as a males, often not knowing they are having extra chromosome of X. The XXY usually caused by the non-disjunction of chromosomes. These non-disjunctions happens when a pair of such chromosomes fails to separate during egg or sperm formation, and that's why there is arrangement of XXY chromosome. These typically testes don't fully develop. In this kind of syndrome, the male reproductive organ they do not fully develop and they are having the level of hormone testosterone is lower than the average. In case of adults, the males are unable to make sperms and so cannot have the children. Many men discover that their condition only after they seek to the medical help in infertility. Changes that appear at puberty can include the low growth of facial hairs, body hairs, development of breast tissues, and the small testes. Then Turner syndrome. The Turner syndrome is caused by the missing of incomplete of X chromosomes. The people who have Turner syndromes, they are females. Okay. Klinefelter male, Turner female. In the genes affected are involved in growth and sexual development, which is why the girls with the disorders are shorter than the normal and have abnormal sexual characters. Like they are having small secondary characters, they maybe have the problems in respirations, problem in digestions, and the menstruations in case of females. Williams syndrome. The Williams syndrome is a genetic disorder that affects the child growth, physical appearance, and cognitive development. The people who have Williams syndrome, it is the Edward syndromes, are missing genetic material from chromosome number 7 that include the gene elastin. Then color blindness. The color blindness, the people who cannot differentiate the color in between green and red. Mutated in this color blindness मध्ये काय असतं की the mutated genes they are located onto the X chromosomes, and these chromosomes they are for the red green color for both the X and Y chromosomes, or they may be color blindness. म्हणजे काय असतं की दो जे काही इदर मेल किंवा फिमेल असेल त्यांना रेड आणि ग्रीन हा जो काही रेड आणि ग्रीन कलर आहे त्यांना याच्यामध्ये फरक कळत नाही. त्यांना हे सगळं आता आपल्याला कळते की हा ग्रीन आहे आणि हा रेड आहे, किंवा हा थोडा वेगळा ग्रीन आहे, हा थोडा वेगळा ग्रीन आहे, हा रेड वेगळा, हा पिंक वेगळा आहे, हा रेड वेगळा आहे. त्यांना याच्यामध्ये कलरचा डिफरन्शिएट कळत नाही आणि ते कॉल्ड ॲज ए कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. And this is because the genes they are present onto the X chromosomes. Then we are having multifactorial diseases, and the great example of multifactorial disorders are the Alzheimer's diseases. Okay, the disorder involved variations in multiple genes and often coupled with the environmental causes. The example we are having Alzheimer's diseases, then hypothyroidism, diabetes, heart diseases, hypertension, etc. etc. The Alzheimer's disease is a disease that causes the dementia or the loss of brain functions. It affects the part of the brain that deal with the memory, thought and language. सगळ्यांनी जर उरी बघितला असेल तर त्या उरी मूवीमध्ये वी नो दॅट त्या ह्यांच्या आईला इट इज ए हॅव्हिंग अल्झमायर डिसीज. इन केस ऑफ अल्झमायर तिथे काय होतं की ब्रेन सेल ज्या आहेत ह्या हळूहळू फंक्शन लेस व्हायला लागतात, आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं की दीज द पीपल हू आर हॅव्हिंग अल्झमायर दे स्टार्ट टू लॉस देअर मेमरी. त्यांची जी मेमरी आहे ती हळूहळू कमी व्हायला लागते. म्हणजे ते मला माणसाला ओळखायला लागत नाही, त्यांना माणसाला ओळखायला लागत नाहीत, किंवा समटाइम दे डू नॉट नो हू दे आर. The brain of person with Alzheimer's contain abnormal clumps of cellular debris, proteins and collapsed microtubules. The microtubule disintegration is caused by the malfunctioning protein called tau proteins, which normalizes, stabilizes the microtubules. In case of Alzheimer's patients, tau protein instead cluster together to form disabling tangles. You can see here, it's the memory of brain functions. तर हा कसा हा प्रॉपर सुरू आहे. ते टाउ प्रोटीन स्टार्ट्स टू फॉर्म द क्लस्टर्स. ते टाउ प्रोटीन जे आहेत ते इथे गोळ्या व्हायला लागतात आणि ते फॉर्म द tangles, and these plaques and the tangles damage the healthy cells around them. Because of the Alzheimer's destroys brain cells, People who have disorders slowly lose their ability to think clearly. They lose their ability to memorize. At first, they may forget the words, then names, and then they are having the finding troubles. So this is about the genetic disorders. In next class, आता फक्त एकच bit राहिलेला आहे. I will see you that bit in next class. Okay. I see you in next class.